xijaabka muxuu yahay? What's with the hijab?
What's with the hijab?
xijaabka maxaa waaye?
Hijab means, in Arabic, hijab means covering up.
Anything that covers your hair or covers you up.
That's hijab.
Hijab is a scarf that Somali and Muslim people wear. There are different kinds of hijab.
There's the headscarf. There's the hijab, the long hijab, which Somalians tend to call a shuko, which covers your face. It covers your arms, and like part of your body goes halfway down. Something that's called in the sharer, which is like your face covering, which covers your face, and all you can see is your eyes. And those are, the people that wear that tend to be like very strict Muslims tend to wear that. There is hijab that you wear like when you're going to a wedding, which is like this, which I'm technically supposed to put this on my head, but for a fashion statement, I wear it like this. But there's different ways you can wear it. So.
And people be asking me that, why do you wear it? Is it hot? And it's not really hot. I came from Africa, and that place is really hot. And some people ask us like, oh, is it because you don't have hair? You don't have to do your hair. But it's not. I have a hair, okay? I'm not bald-headed. We're just normal person. The only thing that's different from us is just we cover our hair, and the reason why we cover it is we have respect for our religion. It's my choice to wear it because I'm a little bit faithful to God, and I want to follow what God commanded me to wear it.
This is something basically God told me to do. If I don't want it, I can't do it, you know. Basically, people choose what they want to do. But then to respect my God, to respect myself, and to respect my family, I wear my hijab and to cover myself.
Why do I wear hijab? Every time I wear it, I feel close to God.
I wear it because of my culture and my religion.
I sometimes wear it, but I've been living here for like 11 years. I feel like I've been Americanized, but really I'm not. It's just I've been trying to fit in Americans, and I just caught up with them, and I just kind of stopped wearing it. And I sometimes wear it though, just try to fit in with everybody else that's Muslim and all the other Somali girls. But then I feel like I shouldn't do that, because I feel like I should just follow my heart and do what I think I should, even though that's against my religion to not wear it.
I can proudly say that I'm a Muslim whether I'm not wearing it or whether I am wearing it. But I know that it is a sin not to wear it. But I feel like to express myself right now, I feel like I don't have to wear it to prove that I'm Muslim.
It's make me happy to wear it.
I feel more connected when I'm wearing it.
I see somebody that's wearing the hijab I feel more comfortable with, and you know, I can recognize right away. And based on how they wear their khimar, you know, I can tell if they're Somalian or if they're Oromo or if they're Ethiopian or, yeah.
I wear hijab to honor my family and to show respect to my friends and families, and also to honor God. And we don't want to be far away from our people, so that's one of the reasons we wear it.
It's not like something you have to wear it, but it's like a simple thing like that shows that you are Muslim.
I know in my heart I am a Muslim, then I don't see why I should wear a scarf to prove that I am.
It's not what you believe in outside, it's what you believe in inside.
Yeah, it's all about what do you believe inside and what's in your heart.
معان ومدان هوي لقى